Hey guys, I'm starting a new series called Damon's Weather Updates, this is the first episode. And if you look outside, it is pretty crazy out there. And I've actually reviewed it, and yeah. So basically, how it's gonna work is every season, it's like literal every season, like winter, August. I'm gonna say episode 1, which is starting now. I'm gonna be episode 1, season 1, which is winter. And then as soon as it gets to spring, which will be in September, I'm going to start saying episode 1, season 2, and so on. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this weather updates thing, and I'm going to think about adding a new intro just for this. So anyway, guys, see you soon. As we are outside, and this is what happened. The wind caused this major cleanup for me. My bicycle even fell over. Nothing has been untouched here. Going up, basically all the leaves that just fell out. As you can see, the stuff fell down over there. Broom nearly broke. These, I don't know where these came from. Again, nothing has been untouched. That was there, I think, before. This is the most weirdest thing ever. This came during the night. Nothing is untouched, so one of them actually landed right here. Ripped open. That got ripped open. These flew in by someone's house. That's how powerful the wind was yesterday. Some more debris over here. And as you can see, there's a light to mid-strong breeze going on right now. And yeah, now I guess we'll go on to the forecast for the next 7 days. Guys, going back, this wind was so powerful it actually ripped my net off that I play basketball with. It actually literally ripped my net off. This is just outrageous. Anyway, I'm going to clean now. As you can see, the egg lid fell. Luckily nothing happened to these bins, and yeah, they're full of some pretty spillable rubbish. Luckily none of that didn't spill. As you can see, all these weeds fell out, like dirt everywhere. See plastic bag right there. It was crazy. As you can see, there's a light wind. Very windy. Just came out to see this wind. Very windy in a place called Burkett Place in Minto. Very windy. As you can see, it's pretty windy out here. So yeah, it's a pretty windy area. While this cold front going past Sydney is triggering these events, stuff is flying around. Sorry about that video, guys. It's upside down. Hopefully you can manage to listen to me at least. But right now I'm in Woodbine, in second place. Whoa, these people have 2 recycling bins. I think one of them is stolen because they only put out one at the front. I'm at Woodbine, just North Side Road, right over there, and it is hectic out here. So you can see that this Campbelltown is affected by the Sydney cold front, or the massive low that's coming by. And yeah, sorry that I've been saying go on to the... Actually, never mind, guys. Never mind about what I just said, because I probably cut out. I was gonna say sorry about me saying let's go to the 7-day forecast, but I just realized I'd probably cut it out every time with my editor. So yeah, don't worry about that. So we can either go to the 7-day forecast now. If not, I'll edit this out, and I think I'll get another clip in. As you can see, there's a house all the way over there. Wonder how they're feeling. Anyway, see you guys soon. Guys, so as you can see, it looks like it's going to be windy for the rest of the night. And for Sunday, it looks like it's going to be pretty windy, 32 kilometers per hour. It looks sunny, and then sunny. As you can see, it's actually going to be pretty cold on Wednesday, 3 degrees in the morning. Rest of the week is